Hi guys, today I'm going to play
Don't Press the Button
with my sister
Anita again.
Yeah, we're just famous, she's right there. Only go on a different building. No!
There's the. If you don't know what Don't Press the Button is, it's like this place where there's loads of obstacles to try and survive, okay?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, I'm dead.
Okay guys, we're going to make this video 10 minutes only. Sorry, we can't make it. We can make it high, but not too high. So sorry, only 10 minutes.
It's not allowed.
Oh my god.
Did you even need to tell them?
I don't know. Okay. Okay. Pretend that didn't happen.
Yeah, they're obviously going to know it happened. Whatever, guys.
I'm running about so fast. Even my phone is kind of lagging a little.
No, it's not. You're just going so fast. It looks like it's lagging.
Okay, we're just not.
You're just gonna run around the place.
I'm gonna be off the world.
Hey!
I'm going off the world.
Looking for coins and diamonds.
No, I didn't make it to the end of the
Looking
world.
for coins and diamonds.
Oh yeah, I remember this one you had to kill. I love this one. Oh no, I died already because I fell off the wall. I'm just gonna kill
diamonds.
And you're literally killing the people in the box. You can still do that. Die, people in the box.
Everyone.
Die. I killed everyone in the box. Die. Why am I doing this? You die.
I won.
LOL, I died. Everyone in the box, you must die.
Stop killing everyone. They're already dead.
Yeah, I know, but I have no mercy. Die. And your boyfriend and girlfriend, stop kissing.
Oh, I'm already at the bottom.
Okay. Press the button.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, Baldi's here! I can't move!
Die!
I'm dead.
I'm just gonna watch and kill you.
Ah! No! Don't kill Anita! No!
I'm dead.
I got the coin. Oh no, I didn't.
I'm dead.
I got the diamond. I'm dead. Hey, Baldi, come and get me! Oh, he's gone.
Press his button. Oh no!
Oh my god, I'm just running away from it. Literally. Okay, jump over it.
You can't run away from it for long.
Yeah, I know. Oh my god, I died.
I'm a pro at this.
I wasn't focusing. Oh my god. I mean, I wasn't focused.
I always run. Wee. Jump. What? That girl isn't even jumping and she's still surviving. Okay.
Oh my god.
Am I the only person left?
I think, yeah, you are. You are.
It's too far.
Go on in. You don't die, survive. Come on.
Yes.
Yay, well done. Yeet.
Get the blue platform.
Oh, this one's new. The blue platform. Not the red platform.
I missed a creeper. Oh man, it used to be here.
Yeah. Got bombs. Bombs.
Yes.
Oh my god.
I'm just gonna run close to it.
I'm just gonna run.
I can't even see any bombs. I just see explosions.
Oh my god, I nearly got hit.
Oh, there are the bombs.
Oh my god, that was close. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hello.
It's literally, oh my god. Oh no, I died. Flash out on dodging it like a pro, but I just died at one point.
Yeah.
How did that happen?
My head's still exploding.
Again! Oh my god, not again.
I hate this.
But I kind of like it because I can just sit dodges again. Yeet! Oh my god. Don't come close to me, please. Oh my god, that one went like, oh my god. I couldn't
Keep still and then nothing will hurt you.
I will still run. I don't care.
Come on.
Nope. I knew there was going to be one there.
I'm bored. Okay.
Watch out, boulders! Get to the side!
No, go between them.
I'm going to the side. I go to the side always. You died! And you tried to survive! But you died!
What?
You died! Sorry.
We're gonna get you out.
Oh my god. Oh no, you won't.
Oh yes, I will.
Oh hell no!
Haha.
I'm jumping. I'm nearly. Oh my!
died.
I died. Well, you should die, Addy. I pray to God
Not
that
you.
Addy dies.
Him.
Amen. I pray to God Annie dies.
Stop. Okay. I already got 2 people out. I'm a master at this game.
Oh no! You're the only person left! What happened to you?
Oh hell no!
What happened? Why you were just staying there?
It died.
Oh no, you died at the very last part.
Okay.
What's the point?
The Dorito cat won. The
Yeah.
other one's pressing it.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys at the back.
Hey, come on! What are you doing? What are you waiting for?
Come on, people at the back.
Hey! Well, she got a car on herself. Literally, she got a car.
Wait, nice. Hey!
Hey, come back! Give me your car!
Riley,
No!